A significant factor that drives the spread of wildfires is wind. A single, well-timed gust can transform manageable flames into a catastrophic firestorm. Complex sets of variables thousands of miles away can influence certain wind patterns, rendering them extremely challenging to forecast. To make matters more complicated, current weather models sometimes lack the critical meteorological intelligence to accurately track wind speed, direction, or timing.
Winds are a key variable, and if we don't understand the time of arrival, the speed, and the direction, we can't understand that small percent of fire that end up becoming catastrophic. So instead of a 4-acre fire or a 40-acre fire, it's a 400,000-acre fire. And it's that 400,000-acre fire where we lose the majority of our property and we have lives lost.
MITRE is collaborating with the public and private sector to tackle the growing problem with advanced computing. Meet Ponderosa, an agile AI system that harnesses data to improve wind forecasts. The tool was trained with terabytes of publicly available meteorological data loaded onto our NVIDIA DGX supercomputer. The GPU-driven machine spent 345,000 hours of runtime to generate a first-of-its-kind, high-resolution weather dataset, which Ponderosa then feeds into existing weather forecasting models with the goal of significantly improving their accuracy.
First, we have an excellent group of engineers and scientists that have the ability to understand the complexity of the artificial intelligence engine we're trying to bring. So we complement the government scientists in their models, in their approaches. Second, we're very mission focused at MITRE. So we're able to work on things not only because they're hard, but because they're in the national interest. And then thirdly, we have an interdisciplinary approach, a systems engineering approach to things. So we're able to look at it from multiple perspectives. It's not only autonomous systems, it's not just sensors, it's not just data collection, it's not just compute, it's not just AI, but it's an end-to-end.
Ponderosa can account for dynamic terrain and microclimates to fill gaps in standard coverage. The newly empowered forecasting models can advance forecasts with increased precision, and fire weather forecasters can reference these data on a geospatial map to better predict winds driving the direction of an inferno's path under the right conditions. When every gust of wind can mean the difference between a contained fire and a catastrophe, Ponderosa helps deliver the precision and foresight fire weather forecasters need. Powered by advanced AI, high-resolution data, and MITRE's mission-focused end-to-end approach, we're transforming wildfire forecasting so our nation can better protect communities, infrastructure, and lives. Learn more about Ponderosa and MITRE's advancements for the public good at mitre.org.